Hello, everyone. This is Martin from New Legacy, and I'm going to recap a training that took place from Ronya Ross, the Builderall Boss. He's actually one of the HMV IAG members, and he's also located in the HMV platform where you could get his courses and his trainings of the Builderall platform that we're using. Now, Builderall is a platform that we use to do any kind of marketing you like. He's an expert, as I said, and he will also include a lot of trainings for us in the background here in HMV, which is Hidden Money Village. Okay, so what he's doing, he's going to build your business with 30 apps. Builderall is a perfect all-in-one software platform for business owners, freelancers, and marketers. Each how-to episode of Builderall Boss includes step-by-step instructions on how to make the most of your Builderall account. And you also have the monetizing information and the topics that he goes through with the Builderall platform. Now, in the Builderall, I'm going to show you just a quick overview of some of the things that you could find. It has funnel builders, it has mailing boss autoresponders, it has webinar builders, we have chat builder, we have marketplace and e-learning, and of course a website builder. Now, as I said, Ronnie is an expert of all these avenues inside here, and he's more than happy to help. In fact, he went at length over an hour today with a couple of our teachers as to how to use it to build website, and it was very informative. And you could just see everyone is getting excited because they're actually being shown how to maximize the potential of all these bells and whistles in the Builderall platform. Now, Builderall platform we use from the HMV IAG team as a textbook. The textbook is because we want people to be very successful online, and we know that today there are tools that are necessary to do just that, and that's why we use the Builderall as a textbook as of now. And it's been very successful, and it's very, very powerful indeed with all the things that we have back here. We have professional templates, and we have the smart templates that we use. And we are like the Hidden Money Village website building. That was a course that was done today. And as I said, the Builderall textbook is what we call it. Okay. Now we had teacher Tim and teacher Grant who were attending the live session with Ronnie, and they were walking through all the processes of having the website being built. Teacher Grant was actually sharing his screen throughout the entire time, and it was very nice that Ronnie was there to show him how to build things and move around and what he needed to click on. So it was at length, a lot of information being shared, but yet you could just go back there in the HMV TV and look at the videos, and you would be more than happy to see that, hey, I can do this with the help of fantastic instructors. So thank you, Ronnie, for coming out and showing us today how easy it is to build with you. Now, we also have the different templates that you could use. He was showing that in the live session with teacher Grant. And, there's so much to choose from in that platform. We have also, like what I mentioned, the different things and bells and whistles back there. And this was just a live demo of how he was setting up, teacher Grant was setting up his page. And he was saying, come together, learn together as one big family. That is his slogan he's using for his particular website. And he happens to be an instructor also in IEG. And he is actually teaching out of China at the moment. So he was very excited to see that he could build his own website, as I said, by using the system that we have. More of the platform and templates was being demoed in the live webinar. And it was very, very insightful how we could actually use different layouts as to how to build the website. Back again to how we could, organize things where you want to center it or put it in the right or left. That was being shown. And as I said, we had the professional templates and the smart templates to use in order to build. And Ronnie was, like I said, very, very, very patient and very insightful as to how to do it. And he knows all the bells and whistles of it. So if you're interested in coming in and being successful in anything you desire online, I do recommend that you either come in and connect with someone from IEG or HMV, and we were more than happy to help you get signed up and create your success. Okay, so thank you so much. Make sure you get with someone, and remember to create your new legacy. See you.